Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions?
Common immigration scams and how to protect yourself. Immigration scams are a growing concern in the United States, preying on vulnerable individuals seeking immigration relief, legal status, or citizenship. Unscrupulous actors exploit these individuals, often promising quick results or claiming to have special connections with immigration authorities. Falling victim to such scams can have severe consequences, including the loss of money, missed opportunities for real immigration benefits, and even deportation. In this analysis, we will discuss some of the most common immigration scams, how they operate, and how to protect yourself against these fraudulent schemes. Additionally, we will highlight trusted resources and how legal support from firms like Figueroa and Associates can help victims seek justice and immigration relief. 1. Common immigration scams. Immigration scams come in various forms, each designed to exploit the fears, hopes, and needs of immigrants. Below are some of the most frequent types of fraud targeting immigrants. A. Notarial fraud. One of the most prevalent scams is notarial fraud. In many Latin American countries, a notario is a legal professional with a license to provide certain legal services. However, in the U.S., a notary public is not a lawyer and has no legal authority to provide immigration advice. Fraudsters pose as notarios, misleading immigrants into believing they are qualified to handle immigration cases. They often charge exorbitant fees, fill out paperwork incorrectly, or fail to file essential documents, leading to case denials or deportation. B. Visa lottery fraud. Each year, the U.S. government conducts a diversity visa lottery program, which gives immigrants from underrepresented countries the chance to apply for permanent residency. Scammers often capitalize on this by sending fake emails or letters claiming the recipient has won the lottery but must pay a fee to process their visa. In reality, legitimate winners are notified by the U.S. Department of State and do not have to pay any upfront fees to claim their visa. C. Phony immigration officials. In some cases, fraudsters impersonate U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, or Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, officials calling or emailing immigrants to demand payment or personal information. These fake officials may threaten arrest or deportation unless the victim immediately pays fines or fees. The government never asks for payments via phone or email, making this a clear red flag for fraud. D. Work visa scams. Work visa fraud involves fake recruiters promising jobs in the U.S. with guaranteed work visas in exchange for large fees. Often, these job offers and visas do not exist, leaving victims with no job and no legal standing in the U.S. E. Asylum fraud. With increasing numbers of refugees and asylum seekers, asylum fraud has also become a serious issue. Unscrupulous agents or consultants falsely claim they can secure asylum status in exchange for large sums of money. They often advise applicants to falsify claims of persecution or submit fraudulent documents, which not only jeopardizes their application but can lead to criminal prosecution. 2. Consequences of falling victim to immigration scams. Immigrants who fall victim to fraud face numerous consequences ranging from financial losses to legal jeopardy. Some of the most significant repercussions include loss of money. Many scams involve charging victims thousands of dollars for fake or substandard services, which are never provided. Deportation. Misfiled or fraudulent applications can lead to deportation or removal proceedings. Delay in legal status. Victims often find that legitimate opportunities to obtain legal status are delayed or missed entirely because of fraudulent advice or inaction by scammers. Ineligibility for future immigration benefits. Falsified documents or applications can lead to permanent ineligibility for certain immigration benefits. 3. How to protect yourself against immigration scams. To avoid becoming a victim of an immigration scam, it is crucial to take preventative measures and remain vigilant. A. Verify legal credentials. Only licensed immigration attorneys or accredited representatives are authorized to provide immigration advice in the U.S. You can check whether an attorney is licensed by contacting your state bar association, or you can confirm whether someone is accredited by the Department of Justice's DOJ Recognition and Accreditation Program. B. Avoid unrealistic promises. If someone promises quick or guaranteed results, such as obtaining a green card, asylum status, or citizenship, this is likely a scam. Legitimate immigration processes are complex and can take time. C. Don't pay for government forms. USCIS forms are free and can be downloaded directly from the USCIS website. Any offer to sell government forms or services to help with these forms for a fee is likely a scam. Official information and applications can be accessed at uscis.gov. D. Beware of payment demands via phone or email. Government agencies, such as USCIS or ICE, do not request payment over the phone or email. Any such demand is fraudulent. Official communications are typically done via mail, and fees are only paid directly through official government portals. E. Research before trusting anyone. Before hiring any legal professional or representative, conduct thorough research. Look up reviews, confirm their license or accreditation, and consult trusted community organizations that work with immigrants. F. Use trusted resources. Many government agencies and nonprofits offer resources and guidance for immigrants to help avoid scams. The Federal Trade Commission, FTC, has a guide to spotting and reporting scams. For more information, visit the FTC's Scam Alerts. Additionally, the American Immigration Lawyers Association, AILA, provides directories for finding licensed immigration attorneys. 4. Legal recourse for victims of immigration fraud. If you or someone you know has fallen victim to an immigration scam, seeking legal advice is essential. Law firms like Figueroa and Associates specialize in immigration law and can help you navigate the legal options available to you. They offer representation in fraud cases. Figueroa and Associates can represent victims of immigration fraud, helping them seek justice and, where possible, recover lost money. The firm can also assist in defending against the legal consequences of fraudulent applications submitted on behalf of victims. Assistance with immigration relief. Victims of immigration scams may still qualify for legal status or immigration relief, despite being defrauded. Figueroa and Associates will assess your situation and explore potential pathways for obtaining legal status. Reporting the fraud. Working with experienced attorneys can help ensure that fraud is reported to the appropriate authorities, such as the FTC, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB, or USCIS Fraud Detection and National Security Directorate. Figueroa and Associates is dedicated to helping immigrants seek justice and protect their rights. Helpful resources. Here are some trusted resources that offer more information about immigration scams and protection measures. USCIS official website for accurate information and resources on immigration applications and services. DOJ Recognition and Accreditation Program to verify accredited immigration representatives. Federal Trade Commission, FTC, for resources on spotting scams and reporting fraud. Figueroa and Associates, a trusted legal partner offering representation for victims of immigration fraud.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, ask the lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.